Welcome to our Colors Assembly. This is a tradition we've been doing for many years now. I think it's almost 20 years. We have been giving out very special awards called Colors that are the highest designation or distinction of achievement in the school in a number of different areas.
Now for the IB, the middle years program, only 3 years, but we have very outstanding achievement recognized across Canada and almost globally.
We do want to recognize a few standout students who go that extra mile in keeping English around the school no matter where they are. Congratulations and thank you so much.
To all their teammates, all their teachers, all the administrators, all the parents who fed them, clothed them, drove them from point A to point B, they would like to say thank you.
These students' continuous acts of service to the school, community, and their desire to go above and beyond what is expected of them as members of Parliament is why we are acknowledging their amazing efforts.
I am proud to recognize your outstanding efforts in the Saturday Enrichment Program at Bodwell. Your dedication, innovative thinking, and exemplary leadership have truly set you apart. Bodwell World Scholars Cup team qualified for the global round and has paved a new competitive and collaborative spirit. Congratulations. For the chess tournament to join 120 other BC schools. They were placed first in the province and were awarded the Best School Trophy.
These students have demonstrated exceptional dedication, creativity, and passion in their artistic endeavors.
They went above and beyond my expectations, so congratulations, everyone.
The students receiving the Life Skills Award today exemplify strong skills in self-care, time management, and meaningful interpersonal relationships.
Some of these students participated in a spring break contest, so instead of having fun with friends, they came to a math contest, so I congratulate all of you.
I'd like to now recognize the 26 students who achieved a score of 6.5 plus on the EPA. Congratulations.
These students here really got involved, made Bodwell a better place, and thank you very much.
So I would like to congratulate the champions for Spring 2024, and that trophy goes to the new champions, Spirit House. All right. Congratulations.